Welcome. If you want to set your favorite picture into your always on display in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at first you have to go for the settings, then find the lock screen, tap on the always on display, then move to the clock style, and here we have to switch for this icon and move to choose from the gallery. And I would like to take this photo, and of course we are able to scale this picture. I think that I'm going to take maybe this part, then click done. And right now when you are going to lock our device, we can spot right here our new theme of the always on display. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!